Chapter 1 About Me. Hi, I am Kavya. I am a girl. I am 5 years old. I love playing football. Hello, I am Jeet. I am a boy. I am 5 years old. I love playing cricket. Chapter 2 My Body. Our body has different parts. Let us learn their names. Touch your body part as you read. Head, hair, forehead, eyebrow, ear, eye, nose, teeth, cheek, mouth, neck, chin, shoulder, chest, arm, elbow, wrist, fingers, waist, thigh, knee, leg, ankle, foot, heel, toes. Each part of our body helps us in different ways. Our legs help us to walk, jump, run. Our hands help us to write, eat, hold. Sense organs. Eye, ear, nose, tongue and skin are the 5 sense organs. Our body parts that help us to see, hear, smell, taste or feel are called the sense organs. Eyes. Our eyes help us to see. We see different colors, shapes and sizes with our eyes. Nose. Our nose helps us to smell. We smell good and bad odor with our nose. Ears. Our ears help us to hear. We can hear different sounds with our ears. Tongue. Our tongue helps us to taste. We taste bitter, sweet, sour and salty things with our tongue. Skin. Our skin helps us to feel. We feel hot and cold, hard and soft with our skin. Chapter 3 The Food We Eat. We need food to eat. We cannot live without food. Food helps us to grow. Food makes us healthy and strong. Food gives us energy to play and work. Kinds of food. We eat different kinds of food. Sugar, rice, butter, bread and chapati give us energy. Milk, eggs, fish and pulses help us to grow. Fruits and vegetables keep us healthy. Sources of food. Our food comes from plants and animals. Food from plants. We get fruits from plants. Guava, banana, apple, orange, mango, pineapple. We get vegetables from plants. Carrot, potato, peas, onion, cabbage, brinjal. We get cereals from plants. Wheat, rice, maize. We get pulses from plants. Arhar, chana, moong, rajma. Food from animals. We get milk, eggs, meat and honey from animals. We should drink milk every day. It is good for our health. Curd, ghee, butter, ice cream and cheese are made from milk. Need for water. Our body needs water. Water helps to digest the food we eat. We must drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Meal in a day. We have 3 meals in a day. We eat breakfast in the morning. We eat lunch in the afternoon. We eat dinner at night. We must eat our meals at fixed times daily. Chapter 4. Our clothes. We need clothes to cover and protect our body. We look smart in clean clothes. Clothes keep us warm in cold days. Clothes keep us cool in hot days. Clothes protect us from rain. Clothes protect us from insects. We wear cotton clothes during hot days. They keep us cool. T-shirt, tunic, frock, shorts, top, skirt. We wear woolen clothes during cold days. They keep us warm. Cap, sweater, muffler, pant, gloves, jacket. We wear raincoats and gumboots when we go out in the rain. Uniforms. People wear same kind of clothes at work. It is called uniform. Firefighter, policeman, pilot, soldier, nurse. Chapter 5. My family. Parents and their children make a family. Our mother and father are our parents. A family with parents and 1 or 2 children is a small family. A family with grandparents, parents and children is a large family. Some families are very large. The family with grandparents, parents, aunts, uncles and their children is called a joint family. Children of your aunts and uncles are your cousins. Family members. A family has many members. They love each other. They share work at home. Parents help children with studies. Grandparents tell stories. They celebrate functions and festivals together. They play together. They take meals together. They watch television together. Chapter 6. Our Sweet Home. We need a house to live in. A house protects us from the sun, the wind, and the rain. It keeps us safe from insects and wild animals. Types of houses. There are two types of houses, Kacha house and Pakka house. Kacha house is made up of mud, straw, bamboo, and leaves. A hut is a Kacha house. Pakka house is made up of bricks, cement, iron, and wood. A bungalow is a Pakka house. Some other Pakka houses are given below. Duplex, flats, rooms in a house. A house has many rooms. Each room has a different use. We cook our meals in the kitchen. We rest and sleep in our bedroom. We receive our guests in the drawing room. We eat our meals in the dining room. We keep things in the storeroom. We study in a study room. A good house has many doors and windows to let fresh air and sunlight in. We should keep our house neat and clean. Chapter 7. School is fun. We go to school to learn reading and writing. We learn many other things in school. Our school has many rooms. We use these rooms to do different things. We gather in the assembly hall for prayer. We learn to read and write in our classroom. We go to the library to read different books. We learn to draw and color in the art room. We play in the playground. We learn music and dance in the music room. When we are hurt or sick, we go to the medical room. We learn about computers in the computer room. We get different types of food, drinks, and juices in the canteen. School staff. There are many people who help us in the school. Principal, teacher, librarian, peon, sweeper, gardener, driver, guard. Chapter 8. Our Religions and Festivals. People of different religions live in India. They pray to God in different ways. They go to different places to pray to God. Hindus go to temples, Sikhs go to gurudwaras, Muslims go to mosques, Christians go to churches. People of all religions celebrate their festivals. Festivals are full of fun and joy. People like to wear new clothes and eat special food. Diwali is celebrated by Hindus. They decorate their houses with lamps and lights on this day. They also exchange gifts. Eid is celebrated by Muslims. It comes at the end of the month of Ramzan. Gurpurab is celebrated by Sikhs. They pray to Gurdwaras and organize langars on this day. Christmas is celebrated by Christians. They go to church to pray and light candles. Santa Claus brings gifts for children. Holi is a festival of colors. It comes at the end of spring season. Onam is the festival of Kerala. Boat races are organized on this day. We also celebrate some national festivals. These festivals are celebrated by all Indians. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. India got freedom on this day. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. It is Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. Chapter 9. Our Neighborhood. The places near our house make our neighborhood. People living in our neighborhood are our neighbors. Many important places are located in our neighborhood. Let us know about them. We go to school to study. We go to market to buy things. We go to park for playing and jogging. We go to taxi stand to get a taxi. Fire station helps us to put out fire. We go to bank to keep our money safe. We go to restaurant for a meal. We go to post office to send letters. We go to police station to file our complaints. We go to library for reading books. We go to railway station to get train. We get fuel for our vehicles from petrol pump. We go to hospital when we are sick. We go to bus stand to get the bus. We go to different places of worship to pray. Chapter 10. Our helpers. Many people live in our neighborhood. They do different types job. Let us learn about a few of them. A postman delivers letters. A newspaper man delivers the newspaper. A housemaid sweeps and washes the utensils. A garbage collector collects garbage from our house. A milkman delivers the milk. A mason builds houses for us. A gardener takes care of plants in the garden. A tailor stitches clothes for us. A carpenter makes doors, windows, etc. with wood. A plumber repairs the leaky taps and pipes. A barber gives us a haircut. A doctor gives us medicines when we are sick. A policeman keeps us safe. A teacher teaches us. A cobbler makes and mends shoes. Chapter 11. The Animal World. We see many animals around us. Some live with us in our homes. Some live outside our homes. Some live in forests. Some live in water. Let us know about some animals. Wild animals. Animals that live in forests are called wild animals. Lion, elephant, deer, bear, giraffe, zebra, tiger, wolf, rhinoceros. Domestic animals. Domestic animals can be tamed for work or for food. These are of two types: pet animals and farm animals. Pet animals live in our homes, like parrot, rabbit, dog, cat, pigeon. Farm animals are kept in farms to get milk, eggs, meat, and for various other works. Hen, buffalo, goat, sheep, horse. Birds. Birds are also animals. They have 2 wings, 2 legs, and a beak. Most birds can fly. Cuckoo, ostrich, peacock, owl, sparrow. Insects. Insects are very small animals. They have 6 legs. Some insects have wings. Ladybug, ant, housefly, cockroach, butterfly. Where animals live. Land animals live on land. Cow, dog, horse, camel, tiger. Water animals live in water. Dolphin, fish, shark, octopus, seahorse. Some animals live on trees. Bird, squirrel, monkey, koala. Chapter 12. The Plant World. We see different types of plants around us. A plant has many parts: leaf, flower, bud, fruit, stem, roots. Leaves. Leaves are green in color. They have different shapes, sizes, and smell. Coconut, pine, lotus, peepal, papaya, banana, tulsi, neem. Flowers. Flowers are colorful and beautiful parts of plants. They have sweet smell and come in different colors. lotus, rose, sunflower, marigold, daffodil, hibiscus, lily, jasmine. Chapter 13. We need air and water. Air. Air is all around us. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. We need air to breathe. There are many other uses of air. Air helps an aeroplane fly in the sky. Air helps a hot air balloon to rise up. Air helps birds fly. Air is filled in tires, balls, and balloons. Other uses are to dry wet clothes, to play the flute, to sail boats to move on water, to fly kites. Water. Water is very important for us. We cannot live without it. Plants and animals also need water. We use water in many ways. Drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, brushing teeth, cleaning, putting off fire, swimming. Sources of water. Rain is the main source of water. Some other sources of water are hand pump, river, well, pond.